name is Trixie, and
Nathaniel.
this is our water detection project. This project, its goal was to detect water. We found that, especially in our dorm buildings, there are some students who leave their faucets on, and that can cause a lot of potential issues, such as flooding or causing damages in our faucets. It could also potentially create mold. And so Nathaniel is going to talk a little bit about our system and what we implemented to try to fix that.
All right, so to tackle that problem, we use different devices. I'm going to talk about them in a minute. We use the ultrasonic sensor. We use the 12 voltage diaphragm pump, which we use to pump the water, simulating an actual faucet. We use the relay to control the pump, and we also use a reed switch to act as the knob being open and knob being closed. This right here is a water flow sensor, so we can measure the water coming out. So whenever this is water is running through it, we can read the amount of water coming through the water flow sensor. So we're gonna simulate that so you guys can see. So whenever we turn the knob on, water is being pumped into the sink, and whenever we step away from the sensor, after 5 seconds, the alarm gonna sound off to simulate that the user forgot to turn the water off. So whenever the user comes back, buzzing stop, and whenever you turn off the knob, the pump stops, and the sensor resets as well.